Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kashia Jabre, and today I will be showing you guys this gorgeous Alipearl unit that I had the honor of installing today. As you guys can see, it is absolutely gorgeous, so I cannot wait for you guys to see how we came up with this look. I do think it is important to tell you guys that this unit came pre-bleach, pre-plucked, and pre-curled, so all I had to do was install it and customize my bangs, and that was pretty much it. And y'all can see how freaking good it looks. Like, I'm at a loss for words. But of course, all the links will be listed down below, as well as the coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But before we can hop into this video, I'm gonna need you guys to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. Today I'm going to be installing this unit. This is from Alipearl hair. As you guys can see, the hair came pre-curled, and then also pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So pretty much all I'm gonna have to do is install this thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it on and see what it's looking like. So yeah, pretty much my work is cut out for me. All literally I have to do is glue this unit down and just style it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start that process now. I don't feel like a wig cap method is necessary for this particular unit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just start the install process. The fact that these curls are really like curling right now is crazy. Like, do y'all see these? They're so bouncy. I'm pulling on them, they don't look like they're gonna fall. This is insane. Okay, well, I guess I can just go ahead and pull this unit back and start to apply my glue. I am going to be using the Wig Dealer Extreme Hold Lace Glue, and I'm going to be applying it with a popsicle stick. So I'm just going to start, actually, I'm about to mess up already. I'm going to clean my skin with some alcohol before I start the install process, because I don't want the makeup that's on my face to interfere with the glue and possibly mess up the process. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that my skin is clean all around my forehead where the unit is gonna be laid down. So I'm just gonna give that a good scrub. So now I'm just gonna take this glue and start to dot it around my hairline. I'm gonna spread it evenly with this popsicle stick and just make sure there are no clumps. Y'all, I might only do one layer of glue today because I just did a pretty thick layer for my first one. So I feel like this kind of will be enough. So let's just go ahead and finish smoothing it out. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and let this dry clear, and then I'm going to place the wig down. Okay, so now that the glue has dried clear, I'm just gonna go ahead and place the unit down on top. I'm gonna use a comb to go ahead and push the lace into the glue. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut my lace into 3 parts. I'm going to use a small little razor, and I'm going to just cut all of the excess lace. If there are pieces of the lace that you feel like isn't glued down yet, then cut right above it so that you can go back in and glue it down. places I feel like I need just a little bit more glue, I'm going to take my glue on the back of something, and I'm gonna use a rat tail comb to just put a little bit of glue in those places, and I'm just gonna go over it lightly. Alright, so I have the unit glued down. So now what I'm going to do is apply just a little bit of makeup onto the lace. Alright, so for the next part, we're going to go ahead and melt the lace. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare my band. This is the band that they included in the package. It is an Alipearl melt band. It is so freaking cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this out and ready. But before we do that, I'm gonna use my Even Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. This is super duper important. You want to just go ahead and take a little bit on your finger, and you're gonna press this into the lace. So now I'm just going to take all of the hair and put it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie my elastic band around, and this is going to go ahead and set the lace in place. And I always like to take the band and fold it in half like this and go ahead and tie it around. And as you guys can see, I went in with my blow dryer because I wanted to make sure that all the product is 100% dry before I put this band on, because when I take the band off, I don't want it to stick to the lace and stick to the product and potentially lift it back up. Ooh, this band is tight. All right, now we can go ahead and start to style this wig. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and make sure that my part is in the middle of my head. I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray and some wax stick to just go ahead and flatten out this unit. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and comb these curls out. So from here, there's not much I'm gonna have to do to this unit, but just fix up the bang a little bit, because I do want the bang to be a little bit more dramatic than what it is right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to flatten out the top, and then after that, I'm probably gonna throw some layers into this bang, just so that it can sit the way that I want it to. I am placing just a roller right here just so that it can properly set, and then I'm going to do the same thing I just did on this side to this side. big and fluffy. These curls are down here, so I'm just gonna leave these, and I'm just gonna add just a little bit of serum to help with the frizz. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, and I'm just gonna rub this through my hands and go through the hair. So I'm just gonna let these sit, and I'm gonna spray them with a little bit of hairspray. And I'm gonna let these sit for about a couple more minutes so that they can cool down, and then I'm going to release them, and that should be it. But before I do that, I just need to take off this freaking elastic band because it is so tight. Ooh. Okay, so this one is set, so I'm just gonna take it out and brush it through. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten out the top and kind of just perfect it. Pretty much it for this unit. This was so easy to install, and I love the fact that it came pre-curled. All I had to do was do my bangs, and as you guys can see, it looks amazing. Like, I have absolutely no complaints on this unit. The hair is so thick and full and pretty. I just love, 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 love. I can't stop running my hands through it. It just feels so good. The lace on this unit is immaculate. It was so easy to install. I honestly have nothing bad to say whatsoever. Pre-pluck, pre-bleach, and pre-curl. Like, you can't get no better than that. This is a 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10 for me. I love, love, love the way that it came out, and I hope that you guys did too. I really hope you guys enjoyed it or learned something. So if you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video. Of course, all the links will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.